Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming access. Sign into Gemini or load your API key, then gather high-quality source photos and reference images. Once done, pick the target style and resolution so all choices remain consistent during edits. Make sure to set the aspect ratio and note hex color examples. This helps steer color grading. Then create a concise seed prompt line that states the mood, lighting, and desired texture. This immediate setup prevents rework and keeps your edits reproducible. You now refine the image. Build a layered prompt with a dominant style, specific modifiers, and explicit negations to remove artifacts. Then apply masks or local control maps to protect facial details and edges so key subjects remain intact. Make iterative passes with adjusted sampling strength and step counts. Run multiple variations to evaluate subtle differences. Once you have promising results, blend or composite the best parts. Throughout, keep notes of which parameters produced, which effect so you can repeat success. You finish by doing targeted retouching. Refine skin tones, tweak curves for contrast, and add sharpening only where needed to avoid overprocessing. Then upscale the final image, export as PNG or TIFF for quality, and embed simple metadata describing the model, seed, and date for future reference. Finally, save a version history. If things go wrong, a key troubleshooting step is to lower the transform strength, tighten masks around problem areas, and rerun a few seeds to find a clean base version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.